Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for Aries. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aries, this reading is for you. If you know an Aries, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, friends. Magic Wens Tarot. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. So let us see, Aries, how your month will be. March, love, work, and career. If you want to watch these readings in Hindi, Urdu, they are on the other channel, friends. You can check that out also. And have you seen the March pick a card readings? Have you seen the soul mission pick a card reading? Soul purpose, what is? Because many big changes are happening. We are in the middle of big changes, friends. So most people's life purposes are changing. So make sure you check that reading out. And yeah, let's begin because cards are jumping out. Aries, theme of the month of March for Aries. Wow, 10 of wands. You are working a lot. You're very working. You there's a lot of pressure, a lot of burden. You're working hard. Aries, March you're working hard. Justice, yes. I think currently you have a lot of burdens on your plate, like you have a lot of challenges, a lot of burdens. But I think a relief is coming for you in March. You're gonna find relief, you're gonna find justice, you're gonna find relief from challenges, worries, pressures. Your workload is also like less. You feel happy, you feel supported. Also, some of you could be dealing with financial, legal issues. You will find victory there. If you are in, if I feel like your relationships are also a bit strained, like you are doing all the work, whether it is in family or love. You will find justice there also. Theme of the month for Aries for March, Wheel of Fortune. Yes, friends, a new start is coming, friends. You are at a dead end right now. You are feeling like life is just work and no play. But this is gonna change in March. Your luck is changing, your destiny is changing, and this is like twice. Something is, something which is destined for you is not coming towards you right now. Or you worked for a dream or a goal, but you are not able to achieve it. But Aries, now in March, you're gonna achieve it. You're gonna achieve that success you are looking for, you were working for. You're gonna find that relationship you were looking for. If you are single, you're gonna meet a new person. So something destined, a new start is happening, a victory is coming your way, Aries. And I see you have worked hard for it. You have really waited for 10 years, 12 years, maybe even longer for this victory. It is coming, friends. It is coming for you. I think happy tears, tears of joy, because I see that it makes it, this victory, this win, this change, this positivity coming in your life, this relief will make you feel like happy tears, happy tears. You feel happy tears. So let's see who is going to come in your love life. I see there is going to be a new start in all areas of your life, whether it is work, career, and a positive momentum, luck coming, a positive momentum coming. I see this is the month your life changes. Not like you may not see it this month, but in the coming months, like, 2, 3 months later, you will see it was March, the month that changed your life, brought relief to you. So what will happen? Who is coming for Aries in love? Who is coming for Aries in their love? Ooh, Two of Swords. Someone who is confused. Someone who is not taking action. Okay. I feel there may be a person who is friend zoned. Probably they have feelings for you, or there is a person like. You have a crush on, or they have a crush on you. They are coming towards you. I also feel that someone who was keeping you blocked, in no contact, they want to come towards you because they were unsure about this connection in the past, but now they are sure. Who is coming towards Aries? Ooh, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, strong Scorpio person. Yeah, definitely a transformation, a big transformation is coming, friends. I do see that someone very passionate, someone very perfect for you. Maybe they are a friend that is, they are a friend. They are your friend's friends. They could be your ex's, your ex's best friend. You can fall for them. I do see friends coming your way. I also see that someone you friend zoned, they like you, or they have friend zoned you, but they like you. I also feel someone who put you in a third party. or someone who ended a connection with you or ended a marriage with you, commitment with you, they want to come back, but they are like, should we or should we not? Aries, yeah, family. See, Ten of Cups. I do see a marriage proposal also coming your way this month. I also see someone who wanted to marry you in the past or who had married you but left you, or a troubled marriage. That person is coming. Maybe this person is married. But I feel this is more like, I feel two things. This person is coming who has, who wanted to marry you but could not marry you, or they married you but the marriage is not going well. Also, this could be somebody who put you in a third party. They are coming back, or somebody you friend zoned. So, what will happen in it could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person also, someone who was in double minds about you, someone who was not committing, but a change is coming. So what will happen in your love life for Aries? Page of Swords. So yeah, Knight of Swords. Quick developments, quick messages, quick news are coming. Quick developments, success in your relationships. Yes, your love life is moving forward. You're gonna have more communications, more talks and things, partnerships moving forward. Page of Wands. I also feel a new excitement is coming in your life. New excitement. You saying like, hello Aries, everybody wants you. So victory is coming. People who earlier were, causing you pain, who were earlier, left you, they're gonna come back to win you again. So you are like, wow, I'm winning. They are back. Magician, yeah, they are manifesting you. Someone is manifesting you. Also, if you are single, this is the person you have manifested. They are coming towards you. You are Aries. You are manifesting a new love or a reunion, and that's gonna happen for you. And look at that, Queen of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You could be meeting this person online through dating sites, or mostly the talks are happening online because you guys are in different cities or countries. I also feel that communications were blocked in this connection, Aries, but they're gonna heal in this month of March. I also feel some mother or family people were against this connection or causing a problem in this connection. There was a third party, maybe family or a past lover, but that's gonna go away now in March. So good luck, congratulations. Two of Wands. Yes, your person, very stable connections are coming towards you. Your love life, you're gonna be very stable, Aries. You can enjoy now, seriously, some happy times. Let's see some advice for your work, love. Advice for love life for Aries. Okay, we got it. Truth. Wow. Yeah, some things are not clear to you. You are not able to understand why a relationship ended, why these lessons are happening, why there is divorce or something going on, why the marriage is not well. You will find those solutions. Maybe if a relationship or marriage ended, you're going to find somebody better this month or in the coming months. So some truths are going to be revealed to you this month. And hope, yes, keep your hopes high. Something positive is gonna happen for you. This is like, they wanna win you. They definitely wanna win you. Your hopes will be restored. Conflict and defeat, yeah. You feel like, sad. You feel burdened. You feel someone did you wrong. But something better is on its way. So don't worry, Aries. Something better is coming. If you lost a relationship or a marriage or something, don't worry. Something better is on its way to you. Aries, their work, how their work will be, career. Ooh, choices, decisions, and movement. So work, you're gonna have some choices in your work life. Also, you're gonna have some, movement coming, authority. Yeah, a leadership role is coming for you. 2 and 4, double in power. Your power, your success is increasing. Luck is with you. Wheel of fortune. You're very lucky at your work. But with that, some decisions will also be there. You may have to take a promotion, some extra work is there, extra long hours, deadlines, you are very busy. Some of you, you may get a promotion or your boss may be at leave, so you have to do their work. Solitude, yeah, you are learning something. If you are a student, you are very busy learning alone and mastering a subject. I see clearing exams, getting good results. And passions ignited, yes, a powerful new start is coming for you, friends. I do feel you're gonna find more connection with your career, with your work, with your job. You're gonna feel very connected to it. You're gonna feel more excited and passionate, ambitious about your career, but some choices are still there. Also, if you are a student, be careful. If you are not studying, you will not get good results because karma, justice is there. If you are studying, you will get double the results. So, yeah, get to work. Emotional loss, yeah, I do feel you this feels like a money, you are like, will money come, will money come. Also, some of you should connect with music. Maybe you are a musician, an artist, a creative person, model, actor, photographer, anything, painter, singer. I think some of you are feeling blocked in your creativity, but you're gonna find some relief there. You're gonna find some relief in the month of March. So let's see. Okay. Anything else for Aries? Scales, keep your life in balance. Yeah, you have a lot of work. You have a lot on your plate, Aries. You have to really balance your life, your work, and career. Great passion. Yeah, this is a very passionate month. You're very passionate about your career also. Caterpillar, big changes are coming. Yes, friends, big changes are coming in your love life, in your relationships. Younger man. Yeah, some of you could be dealing with a man younger than you. Heartache. Spear, yeah, heart takeover. So you are missing something from the past also. Lily, spiritual love. I do see a very strong relationship which is changing, or a new relationship coming. Happiness is coming your way. And money path, a path with money is opening for you. So, friends, Aries, this is a great month for you, and I wish you all the best. And make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.